Hello everybody, it is me, Mr. Gopin1, and welcome back. We've got the new set, Champion's Path, and I'm going to be opening these two lovely products for the tube today. We've got the Dubwool V Box, Champion's Path, and Champion's Path Hulbury Gym Pin collection. So we will get into it. I'm going to first open the pin collection since it has 3 packs. Dubwool V has 4 packs. Yeah, so these, I found these early, a day early. I'm recording this Thursday. I found these at Target. So, looks like the promo's a little bent, but that's to be expected with these things. It is Sword and Shield promo 47. A beautiful like galaxy foil dreadnought. So happy to add that to the collection. Of course, here is the pin, which is supposed to be the water symbol or logo for the gym, or the gym logo. It's not the actual gym badge. Those are actually a little different. And then we've got 3 packs of this new special set. It can only be obtained through these types of products. Here are 3 of the pack arts. Galarian Obstagoon, Mega Gardevoir, or not Mega, Gardevoir VMAX, and then a Dreadnought Gigantamax VMAX. So yeah, 3 packs here. I'll get started. I'm really excited. My first ever pack of this set. Another great thing is I don't have to worry about the code card actually, because all the code cards are going to be the white color. Everything is a holo or greater, which I really like a lot more. Because with Hidden Fates, you could get just crap packs. At least you get a holo in these. Alright, so first pack here. Galarian Linoone. A full heal, which is a common. Very interesting. Purloin. That almost looks like art we've seen before, but maybe that's in the Japanese set I'm thinking of. Kakuna. Ooh, a nice looking Trubbish, actually. I love the color of him. He's a lot lighter of a green than usual. An Absol, very nice. Great Ball. Rotom Phone. Ooh, that's a nice reverse to get. Professor's Research. Oh, cute! And we've got the Holo Scrafty. I love this Pokemon. He's quite awesome. I'll put this in a blue sleeve, actually. I love it when he's pulling up his pants in the art. I think it's really funny. And then a Professor's Research reverse. That's pretty cool. It looks like that's been reprinted. Of course, I'm hoping for some of the bigger hits in these packs. I know there's quite a few secret rares or ultra rares or whatever you want to call them. So hopefully get a little something. My hair is tickling me, sorry. Sizzlipede, Hatena, Nickit, Inkay, Roly-Coly shooting out his coal spikes or something. Another Rotom Phone. Turffield Stadium, this is actually a reprint. Another reprint. Bead. What the freak? Professor's Research. And a Lycanroc holo. So we've got another 2 Professor's Research in the same. That is very bizarre, actually. I won't complain because this is a very good card to have in that. Unfortunately, another holo, but the holos do look quite nice. So Lycanroc. Sweet. All right. I'm liking that quite a bit. All right. And I should have a Elite Trainer box coming soon, but I don't know if I'm opening that quite yet. I'm probably gonna sit on it for a while. Not sit on it. I'm less sure of me opening that, but we'll see. Let's hope for some last... Oh, I guess this isn't the last pack of the opening, but this is the last of the pin collection. But let's hope something good in this. Inkay, very grumpy looking Weedle, Galarian Linoon, Carbonaw, Swablu, Arbok, Kabu, Suspicious Food Tin. Okay, so that's what it's called in here. Lycanroc. Nice! Dreadnought V. Okay, a nice blue color to go. That's pretty fitting for the Dreadnought promo. Gonna be a Dreadnought V. So I'm glad we got one of the V's here. Here's a better look at it. His VMAX is in this set as well. It's kind of a weird set to have as a special set. I mean, of course, you've got those Zards. You've got the Zards in the set, but other than that, it's a pretty normal set. So I'll open this now. Oh, God. Got a paper cut. I'm a little too eager. Got a fairly bad paper cut. Ouch. They're not lying when they say hobbies can kill you. Do they say that? Here's the Dubwool V. I'll show that in a second. So 4 packs in this one. Here's the Dubwool V and the mini Dubwool V. Take a look at those. That is promo number 49. Quite cool. Unfortunately, I don't have a big old sleeve for the jumbos, but that's fine. I really like Dubwool's design. I love the black, white, and gray. All right, 4 packs. Hopefully something a little more exciting, but regardless, I will be opening more of this set. So here's another Dreadnought. Oh, that works as well. I think this Suspicious Food Tin. Oops, well, there's a code facing a different way. What the freak? That's very rude. What the freak? What is going on? Okay. I think the Suspicious Food Tin can actually be a secret rare. So, of the secret rares we're looking for, and that's probably not the one we want. Inkay. Ooh, nice. Galarian Cursula V. That looks really cool. I could tell I had something in here. That's really cool looking. Dang. So not doing too bad, actually. Nice. Except my paper cut. God. That's really sucky. Oh, stop falling. Why can't we just all stay put? Okay, Jesus. Okay, I'll do it. Oh my God. Okay. Here we go. Sorry, I didn't want to show the code card. Alright, so let's see what we have in this pack. Okay. We have an Inkay, Hatena, oh gosh, Trubbish, Kakuna, Purloin, Malamar, Piers, Machoke, Hatena. Holy shit! Oh my God! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy crap! Oh my god, I am shaking. Holy shit. Well, um, that is the Charizard VMAX Rainbow. Holy cow. I can't believe I can't believe I pulled that. Oh my god. Jesus. That's so cool looking. Oh my gosh. Paper cut. I offered blood to the Pokemon gods, quite literally, and holy cow. I thought for sure that was gonna be Dreadnought Rainbow. Oh my god! I thought it was gonna be Dreadnought Rainbow or Gardevoir VMAX Rainbow or I don't even know. Oh my, I can't even, I'm sweating so profusely. I can't even open this next pack. Oh my, Jesus. Holy cow. Oh my god. Okay, that looks weird. Hopefully that's just a holo. This is a little off-center. Holy. Nickit, Hatena, Sizzlipede, Nickit, Purloin, Malamar, Piers, Machoke, Sonia. Hey, Professor's Research. It's a little miscut. As you can see, it's a little thicker edge on the right side here. Or I guess that's the left side. But nice, a Professor's Research is quite nice to have too. That's 3 in this opening. I do appreciate that, and it makes these playable cards a lot more accessible. And also, I'm quite happy about this Sonia reverse. Holy. Ah! Okay, one last pack. Oh my god. I still have so much to open too. Holy. That's so exciting. I can't believe this. Oh my god. Okay, there's a Scraggy. If this is another holo, that's fine, but like... Oh, a bit jostly there. Ow! I'm struggling, I can't move. Scraggy, very cute artwork. Galarian Lanoon, Weedle, Ekans, Carvanhaw, Team Grunt, Liepard, Sonia, and Arbok. Oh, that's really cute. It's Altaria Holo. We will put that in a sleeve. So I'm glad I didn't get any duplicate holos there. I guess I could do a quick summary, possibly. Well, the Dubwool was definitely the one to open. Holy shit. I apologize for my swearing. I'm just really really excited and shaky. Holy cow. What was my other holo? Oh, it's the Professor's Research. Okay. So yeah, pretty good. Let's do this. I mean, you've already seen it 400 times. Professor's Research, Altaria, Galarian Cursula, and I can't even believe my luck, but that is insane. That is just insane. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos. You can check out my playthroughs of Vex or Emperor's New Groove. Destroy All Humans will be continued as well. Dead by Daylight live streams. There we go. There's the aftermath there. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, and let me know what you think about my pulls.